Apollo was a hard-working man. He was knowledgeable, he was knowledgeable, and he was a team player. Indeed, we have lost a great man. Mr. Speaker, because of his hard work, Education Department scored the second position in the whole country in the last assessment.
To deriving a lesson from this. Ijambo mtu yakora namani baramugamba hoje. Ijambo mtu yakora namani nasigale gasi. Ijambo mtu yakora namani abantu baragira ibigambo baragira courage baragira morale cyo kutangira kugamba. Kunka ino muntu urakora bashobera mu runde n'ibyo kugamba bibure kunka Apollo has made our work easy here.
And the feeling within us and the population of Kamwenge, there was nothing we could do other than affording him a special transit. This is the first kind we have never done in this
Mungu ya katusikie afikiana bonde ndio ujadili vile tunataka kufikiria na friend na yamba kandi wani shirama itutumo cooperation moves kwa kama ngara na provinces
Mchasha munonga bwamurinde kufuka murinde yari umuntu urafuka munonga hamuri mugwenye ico waramubuza cyo nico kwatene bwegese yarafa yo munonga nangwa munonga kwa namugambira ngo hedi cyananka alemire ataho buryo amweta mukansoringa
biyo budaryo umuntu ari kambo umuntu ari hambo kandi umuntu arakunda promoting ibyo bwegese mu district kasekutere wax minjuka turi competition cyane hanga kandi primary school documentation kabeshobire berekeye 2 classroom block ka implementation ya 1 classroom block kuna muchireho nabo boza mpaka guidance twali yaremeraho kambeka classroom zina which was going to be a class M. So Apollo no muntu obiroli kam obiroli shosho oli hambo kandi ratina ruhanga kandi rakora kurungi umurimo gwera gukunda munoga munoga.